Lie flat on your back on a comfortable surface. Bend your knees and place your feet on the floor, hip width apart. Try to place them as close as possible. Make sure your ankles and knees are placed in a straight line. Now lift your butt as high as possible and inhale while doing so. Try to lift as high as possible. Stay there for as long as you can. Breathe normally. Try to breathe normally while you are up. Now gently exhale and put your hips down and relax. If you have knee problems, you can also place your legs apart from your hips and gently inhale while raising your butt up. Stay there. You can also interlock your fingers of both hands to stress more. Now gently exhale and release the pose. Lie in Shavasana. Gently move your neck right to left to release any tension in your neck. If you have neck injury, avoid this asana. Relax. Started. Lie in Makarasana. Now keep your palms flat near your chest. Make sure they are near your chest only. Don't place your palms in front. This is wrong position. Make sure your palms are near your chest only. Now make sure you place your elbows straight back near your body. Don't place them outside. This is wrong. Place them hugging to your side. Pause for a moment. Look straight. Maintain a neutral position. Look down and place your feet pointed outwards. Like this. Now gently inhale and lift your chest off the floor. Press the ground with your palms. Make sure your elbows are slightly bended. Not like this. Slightly bended. Keep your neck stable. If you want, you can slightly come down, but try to keep your head high. Make sure you don't hunch your shoulders. Now exhale and lie in Makara Asana. Your feet should be pointed outwards. Relax and slowly breathe. Started. To start this asana, lie down straight on your back. Now spread both your hands at the level of shoulders and keep your palms open. Now fold your legs and while inhaling, turn to the right side as much as you can. Turn your neck to the left side and hold this position for a few seconds. Now, while exhaling, come out to the starting position. Now turn your knees to the left side and your neck to the right side as much as you can. And hold this position for a few seconds. Exhale and come to the starting position. Repeat the cycle for 10 to 20 times. Relax in Shavasana.